Hello, family and friends. I want you to join me for the Achieve Your Dream Body workshop series starting November 22nd. And part 1 is Harness the Power of Gratitude to Achieve Your Dream Body. We will be live November 22nd at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In this workshop, we will define gratitude and all of its benefits and describe how to incorporate this powerful principle daily, especially in our health and fitness. Join through the Teams link that's available on my profile, website, and my private Facebook group, I Am Fit and Free, in which I also encourage you to join so you can stay tuned. Also, come ready with your journal and pen and a committed heart to get the most out of this experience. So let's explore the transformative power of gratitude and embrace the positivity and joy that gratitude can bring. Please also share with family and friends. Invite them to come too. And I look forward to seeing you all November 22nd live. See you there. Bye. Also, for more on how to achieve the body of your dreams, visit Achieve Your Dream Body on I Am Fit and Free website found on my profile. And if you sign up for my website updates, there's a free gift. I'm going to keep that a surprise, but go ahead and sign up anyway so you can stay tuned. Be blessed and in good health.